Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use eBay Analytics. So to use eBay Analytics, we need to use our browsing system because we cannot see our analytics in the eBay application directly. Okay, let's open our browsing system, and in the searching field you need to type this Seller Hub eBay. Then go to this official page of eBay and log in to your account. So this is the page where you will see an overview of your store, so sales and traffic. If you scroll down, you will see here the section sales. Tap on it, and this will show you your total sales, number of transactions, and your average selling price. And also, here you cannot. Yes, you can use the filters at the top to adjust the time range. So, for example, your sales for last 31 days and in comparison to same period prior months, or custom. These filters are very useful thing to do. Then if you go back to your analytics, and here you see traffic section. Tap on it, and this section will show you how many people are seeing your listings, and how many are clicking on them, and some other information, so as quantity sold. And here you can also set the filters, so past 7 days, past 30 days. So if here your views are very low, so this is a good sign. You might need to tweak your titles, photos, or pricing. So in here, some other information as feedback. You can review your feedback. So your feedback ratings: positive feedback, neutral feedback, negative feedback, and here all the details for your feedbacks. Yes, and here we see selling announcement, promotional offers, but the main information you need to know about sales and traffic. So that's how you can use eBay Analytics. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.